If you're seeing itch.io error 141, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes you can try right away to get the site working again. This is a simple step-by-step troubleshooting guide, and by the end, you'll know how to refresh the page, clear browser data, test another browser, check your connection, and turn off a VPN if needed. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Let's jump in. First, start with the easiest fix. Refresh the page. Sometimes error 141 appears because the page didn't load correctly, so a simple refresh can instantly resolve it. If that doesn't work, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, your browser stores old site data that can conflict with itch.io and cause loading problems. Open your browser settings, find privacy or history options, and clear cached files and cookies for itch.io, then reload the page and try again. If the error is still there, try using a different browser. For example, if you're using Chrome, switch to Firefox, Edge, or another browser to see whether the problem is browser-specific. This is a very useful test because it helps you figure out whether the issue is with itch.io itself or just your current browser setup. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt the site and trigger errors while pages are loading. Try opening a few other websites or reconnect to your Wi-Fi if needed. If you're on mobile hotspot or public internet, switching to a more stable connection may help. Another common cause is a VPN. If you have a VPN turned on, disable it temporarily and refresh itch.io again. Some websites block or limit traffic from VPN servers, and that can lead to error 141 or similar access issues. After turning off the VPN, wait a few seconds and reload the page and see if the problem is gone. In many cases, one of these simple fixes will solve the issue immediately. If not, go back through the steps one more time and make sure your browser is fully refreshed, your cache is cleared, and your internet connection is stable. Troubleshooting this kind of error is usually just about isolating the cause one step at a time. So to recap, refresh the page, clear browser cache and cookies, try a different browser, check your internet connection, and turn off your VPN. Those are the fastest ways to fix itch.io error 141 and get back to browsing or playing games on the platform. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick fixes and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.